You're not late. Let's start there because I know that feeling, that quiet pressure in your chest. You feel like that everyone else is moving forward, but somehow you're stuck in a place. You scroll through your phone and you see people in your age building things, creating new things, and winning. And a voice in your head asks, I should have started earlier. But what if that voice is wrong? What if you are not late at all? What if the only thing that holding you back is not the resources, not the timing, not the luck, but belief? Because here's the truth that most people don't realize. You don't fail because your ideas are bad. You fail because you never fully commit to them. You doubt them, you question them, you talk yourself out of them before they even get a chance to exist. So now I'm going to take myself as an example and I'm going to expose myself. As long as I can remember, I wanted to be a YouTuber. I even started a YouTube channel and I posted videos there. For few months, I posted there consistently and then I get bored and I stopped uploading. And then few months went by and then that passion comes back again and then I started uploading again. But I never fully committed to being a YouTuber. I posted, uploaded videos here and there when that motivation comes back, when that passion kicks in. And obviously, after few years, it never succeeded because I never fully committed to my dream. Think about how many ideas you have you never acted on. Maybe starting a YouTube channel, maybe learning a new skill, maybe starting a new business. You didn't fail at them, you abandoned them before they even started. That's where the real problem is. It's not that you are behind, it's that you have been second guessing yourself for far too long. Now look at the people that you admire. Do you really think that they have started when they felt ready? No. They started when they felt unqualified. They started when they were unsure. They started when they had no idea what they were doing. The only difference between you and them is they moved anyway. They didn't wait for confidence, they built confidence through action. And that's the shift we all have to make. Stop waiting for the perfect time because there is no perfect time. There's always going to be a reason to delay. I need a better plan, I need a better equipment, I need to learn more. But those are just comfortable excuses because starting imperfectly, starting not ready, is scary. It exposes you, it makes you feel vulnerable, it risks failure. But here's what's even scarier, doing nothing and staying in the same place. You don't need the best setup, you don't need the perfect strategy, you don't even have to know what exactly you are doing. You just have to show up. Consistently, messily, imperfectly. Because every post you make, every video you make, every mistake you make, every attempt to try builds something that you can't see yet. Momentum. And momentum changes everything. At first it feels like nothing is happening. No views, no result, no validations. That's where most people quit. But the ones who win, they keep going anyway. They keep showing up even when things feel pointless. Because they understand something very powerful. Success is not built in huge moments. It builds in small, repeated actions that nobody sees. So let me tell you something that you might need to hear today. Your ideas matter. The thing that you keep thinking about, the idea that you keep coming back to, that's not random. That's you trying to become something more. But you keep shutting it down. You keep saying, maybe later, maybe when things are perfect, maybe when I'm ready. But what if that later never comes? What if the version you want to become keep waiting in the other side of the decision that you are avoiding right now? Not a big one, small one. To start, to post that first video, to build that first version, to make that phone call, to try even when things are not perfect. So if you take anything from this, let it be this. You're not late, you're just early to the version of yourself that you decide to become. Now ask yourself, what is that one thing you've been putting off that you know that you should be starting? Start there today.